In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Figma file. Duplicating a file is a simple way to create a safe copy so you can explore new ideas, make big changes, or share variations without touching the original. I'll show you the two straightforward places where this lives in Figma, and along the way I'll point out a few helpful tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Figma. You can use the desktop app or your browser, whichever you prefer. Once you are in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see your recent files, your team projects, and your personal drafts. From here, find the file you want to copy. Hover over it or right. Click directly on the file thumbnail. In the context menu that opens, select Duplicate. That's it. Figma immediately creates a new copy of that file with all the same pages, frames, components, and settings as the original. You'll see the duplicate appear alongside your other files, usually with copy added to the name so it's easy to spot. A quick tip: if you don't see the duplicate option, you may not have permission to duplicate that particular file. In that case, check your access or ask the file owner for the right level of permission before trying again. You can also duplicate while you are inside the design editor. Open the file you want to copy so you are looking at the canvas. At the very top, in the header bar T here is a drop-down arrow next to the file name. Click that arrow and choose Duplicate. Just like before, Figma instantly creates a complete copy. This is especially handy when you are about to make a big change and want a snapshot first. Duplicate, then continue working in the new version with confidence. Everything inside the file comes along with it, including pages and components, so your layout and structure remain intact. After duplicating, it's a good idea to rename the copy to reflect its purpose. Maybe add a version number or a short description so you can find it quickly later. If you are working in a team, keeping a clear naming convention helps everyone stay organized and prevents confusion between the original and the copy. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.